Story time. Are you ready? All right. On my wedding night, I hid under the bed to prank my husband, but someone else came into the room and put their phone on speakerphone. What I heard next gave my blood chills. Okay, what was that, my dear? That night was supposed to be the happiest of my life, but what I heard under the bed destroyed me, destroyed her forever. Yeah. Everything was just perfect. The ceremony, the pictures, the hugs. When we got to the hotel, I was nervous but excited. My husband told me to go get a champagne and be back in 5 minutes. Then I had the brilliant idea to hide under the bed to scare him when he came inside. I know, childish. But we wanted this night to be special, fun, hours. I went downstairs and waited. I could hear my heart beat. So the door was opened, but something was wrong. The steps were different, more heavy, and there were two people. Two people? I got paralyzed under the bed. I saw 4 feet. What the? Two men's shoes and two heels I recognized instantly. Hmm. They were my bride. No, let me not say that, please. Let me pause. I need some water. They were my These were my bridesmaid's shoes. Oh gosh. Are you sure she's not coming back? I heard her voice. Oh my gosh. Don't worry. I put sleeping pills in the cup. She's gonna sleep like a baby. He replied. My husband. The man I just married 3 hours ago. Hey, Ugodi. The world has stopped. So he took out his phone and put it on speak. My gosh, should I read? So he took out his phone and put it on speakerphone. Someone answered from the other side. Is she sleeping yet? Asked a voice I recognized too. It was. The heels moved closer to the bed. I could see her legs sitting right on top of me. Perfect, said the voice on the phone. Now listen to me well. We have exactly 2 hours. 2 hours before she wakes up. Look for the document she signed at the notary. Without it, this whole plan falls through. Hey, Jesus Christ. My hands just started shaking. What document? What is the plan? And then I understood everything. The loan I signed up last week, the house to my name, bits I put together for our future. Is that been a trap? But the worst was yet to come. All right, so I found this online. Unfortunately, that person made it in a part. And I will watch out for the concluding part of this story. If I'm able to lay hands on it, trust me, I will leash it out. But at this point, let's talk about what we just heard. It is not new. The Bible says a man's household are his enemies. It is not new. But what is new is when it happens to you yourself. All of these stories are not new. We've heard it before. We even heard worst, right? We've seen where siblings actually took over their own sister's husband. In fact, we've seen siblings that actually eliminated the other siblings, right? We've heard about it. We've seen them in the movies. We've heard about them in the world as well. So it's no longer new. But what is new is the day it happens to you. There are two different feelings. You hearing it, I'm reading it now, I'm smiling, I'm jesting. But if it had happened to my enemy, how would I have felt? So sorry to this person, but if such in such situation, how would you feel? Like, how would you even cope? You know, Thank God the Bible says, blessed are those who mourn, for the Lord will comfort them. Because such a man, you just have to mourn him even while he's still alive. And then I think this bride should be so glad that at least she's alive. Because what if she sleeps and never wake up again? So thankfully, God is not punishing her. God allowed her to see this, maybe because she's a faithful child of God. Because such secrets, it takes God's grace for you to see it, for you to have it, for you to realize it. So, what you do with the truth now, I think if I see someone in these shoes, I will tell the person, go and pray first. Just thank God that you didn't at least take the pills and you have seen the secrets. Thank God you have not transferred anything in his name, so you can as well be able to fix yourself up. So things like this, I will locate the police station, I will go for deliverance, I will pray, I will seek counsel, I will go for therapy and all of that. So if you were the one, what would you do? I love you. I see you on my next video. Bye for now.